Hello and welcome to ProScored Virtual Arena. This is a demo of what one of the white label networks would look like that we would build for our customer. Over here in the left-hand corner, you would see that customer's sports organization's name. So for instance, this would be the University of ProScored. Our fans would log in and they would see from my university all the games that are going on. They would see different matches. They could find an 8-week camp that an NIL athlete's having. They could also look and see that maybe they want to go ahead and have a podcast that they want to listen to. Or, like what we have up at the top, maybe they want to see a documentary that one of the athletes has put together. All of these examples of games and different events could actually be put on this broadcast network. So let's go ahead and go into a wrestling match. So our fans that want to see this wrestling match will come in and they will see what are the different schedule times and what mat is on what channel. When we go into the network, what's unique about ProScored is the sub-channel system here. You would see the live event going on. On channel number 1, we would watch mat 1. Channel number 2 would be mat 2. 3 would be mat 3, 4, and 5. So you can have multiple events in multiple states or in one location, and the fans get to choose what they want to see. Down here, you can notice that there's a clickable, I want to get donuts, which is one of our sponsors in return, or maybe I want to get pizza. But per channel, all of those different advertising spaces can change, and there's a ticker up here. Fans can engage in shout outs or haggle one another. They can click and check the schedule per channel. We can see statistics of the game or scores. And that if they only bought a channel for mat number 1, but they decide they want to see all 5 during the game, they can go ahead here and purchase a pass to get all access. Let's go back to the event screen and look at a football game. What can this sub-channel do for a football game? Well, you have the game. Maybe you have Penn State's channel. Maybe you have Notre Dame's channel for their tunnel of the athletes that are running out. But then maybe I'm a parent of the band and I want to watch it, or the cheerleaders. And after the game, an NIL athlete can have their brand here, their endorsements. And again, those are both clickable. So this technology can be used in many ways, not just for games, but we talked about having podcasts and different clinics that were going on. So how about this athlete wants to do a 4-week virtual strength training course? We can use the sub channels. Maybe she wants to have a camera that's in the water and maybe one that is out of the water. So people can see the different angles of what she's teaching with this class. And if you notice, there's only a chat box here. There's not shout outs, so people can talk back and forth. This is what our technology can do. Instead of having streaming in the hands of big broadcasts, universities can now own their entire network, where each one of these channels they're licensing to their teams, to NIL athletes, or even alumni that have been there.